choose to focus on the things that move you closer to where you want to be. And here's another thing about focus. It's not just about what you think. It's about how long you think it. You can have a positive thought, but if you only think it for a moment and then go back to your old patterns of thinking, it won't make much of a difference. You've got to sustain your focus. You've got to keep your mind fixed on what you want, even when distractions try to pull you away. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jim, that sounds good, but it's easier said than done. And you're right. It is easier said than done. But here's the good news. You can get better at it with practice. Just like anything else, controlling your mind takes practice. You won't sort of master it overnight, but with time and effort, you'll get better at it. And the better you get at it, the more control you'll have over your life. I want you to think of your mind like a garden. A garden requires care, attention, and effort. If you don't tend to it, weeds will grow, and those weeds will choke out the plants you want to grow. But if you're diligent, if you pull the weeds, if you water the plants, if you give the garden the attention it needs, it will flourish. Your mind is the same way. If you don't take care of it, if you don't pay attention to what's growing in there, negativity, doubt, and fear will take root. But if you're diligent, if you're intentional about what you plant in your mind, if you cultivate thoughts of positivity, belief, and possibility, your mind will flourish. You'll see the results in your life. Your relationships will improve. Your career will take off. Your sense of well-being will skyrocket. But it all starts with controlling your mind